Greetings, I'm El Robot, and this is Mr. Robot. We are going to make a wind chime this week because I miss the sun and being warm and being outside. Anyway, I have a bunch of these panels sitting around I haven't done anything with. I also have a bunch of these I had bought at one point that I haven't utilized, so these are going to be the materials that I used to build the wind chime. I had done some tests with food coloring and with alcohol ink to see how I was going to dye this. The food coloring was definitely a lot more fun, but it didn't really saturate the wood very well, so I'm going to use alcohol ink and give it kind of a tie-dyed effect, which should be pretty cool. Also going to use resin, going to use some glow powder. Anyway, that is the plan. Okay, so bubbles. It's winter, well, kind of. But anyway, I thought I would heat the resin up before I poured it in here to prevent bubbles. It kind of backfired on me. I had a couple bubbles in this piece, so I thought, you know, why not? But yeah, just don't change your method if it's working for you, I guess. Anyway, this purple part down here is the part I like the best, and it's the least affected, so I'm going to cut some sections out down here that I can use. This part's pretty much going to go in the garbage. you didn't get to test this yet, it hasn't really been a good windy day. I kind of missed the one windy day we had, so a hairdryer and a fan didn't really simulate the wind very well, so I'm just gonna have to kind of wait for a good day to test this. The shakers are cool. I mean, they work, just not really for this application. So I'm definitely gonna use that method for something else at some point. Probably make a good musical instrument or something. But yeah, it does kind of look like a fancy bird toy, but it also looks like a wind chime. It'll work like a wind chime. It sounds really cool. And this is going to be very bright. All of this is coated on one side with resin and glow powder, so it's going to be very bright. And, you know, who doesn't like rainbows?